The thing is that some users might have disabled JavaScript. The systematic reliance on JavaScript to make websites work is not a good thing. It's not how the web has been designed initially, and it's excluding many users. We can do better than that. In terms of code, relying is not very complicated because in SWR, we are just using the fallback option. If I uncomment this line, we will use the initial count as the fallback value for count that we get from the API. The idea is that while SWR is calling the API and waiting for the response, that might take a few milliseconds, it will use the statically rendered value. This way, the server-side rendered value is up to date, and then client-side can take the relay to update this value on user interaction automatically.